Alright, so boom, this gotta be one of the most impressive fights I've ever seen in my life. This Jake ain't from State Farm. He definitely not from Allstate, cause he only got one hand. Do you recognize the balls you gotta have to wanna be a fighter with 1.5 arms? To make matters worse, homie's from Canada. What the hell Canadians know about fighting? Actually, let me take that back, cause Lennox Lewis and Arturo Gotti both represented Canada at one point. So let me shut my mouth before Lennox Lewis knocked me out like he did Mike Tyson.
Spinal.
Man's worked his way to a Muay Thai championship match.
Round 1, fight.
His opponent suffering from male pattern baldness. I guess they both have a physical deficiency. Look how they equipped his nub with a glove wrapped with tape. If he throws a right hand, well technically, if he throws a right arm, would it be considered a jab or a hook? Nevertheless, through the first 20 seconds, both fighters spamming the kick button.
Gotcha, bitch.
He caught his leg. Man's trying to eliminate homie's entire right side. Baldy busted out some cardio. Man's doing high knees, done lost his balance. Come on, Krillin, this is a championship fight. What are you doing?
Jesus Christ, son, you better get your ass serious.
Wait a minute. Left hand to the zygomatic bone. Baldy taking damage.
What's the matter?
Discount Krillin's face looking like the ballot box in a democratic state. Mans is catching only lefts. Homie can't connect on a single strike.
Kick!
You missed me.
At this rate, Android 18 gonna leave him. Take him to Popeyes. Hold on, I know I'm not tripping. Did he just punch him with the nub? The left hand doing the most damage, but the right nub getting dirty too. And you can tell homie never fathomed that he'd be getting hit in the face with a nub, cause he never once put up his left hand to defend his face. Discount Krillin laying on the rope staring at MMA shanks like he just seen a demon.
Jesus Christ.
You're the one who started this game.
Poke and kick.
He caught a haymaker with the nub. Jake is going Super Saiyan. Discount Krillin don't know what hit him.
Enough. That shit weak.
Jake is unfazed, got this brother in retreat.
Why are you running?
Show some mercy.
Why are you running?
How about my final form?
Wait a minute, Discount Krillin is down. Took an elbow right on top of his maxilla.
It's up to you. Do you want to continue or not?
I hope so.
Oh, fucking do it again.
The elbow almost had this man fused with the camera equipment. Speaking of cameras, did an onlooker just scratch the cameraman's ass? Man's got his butt cheeks rubbed, then seconds later, Discount Krillin fell into his pelvis. He's a victim. And Baldy's been lacerated on the side of his head and his right eye. If he can't see, I'm sure he can't hear either. How he gonna use his Raycons?
And now a word from our sponsors.
2023 is here, and it's only right that you kick off your new year right with Raycons. Raycons everyday earbuds look, feel, and sound better than ever with optimized gel tips for the perfect in-ear fit. These earbuds are so comfortable and they will never budge. They offer 8 hours of playtime and a 32-hour battery life. You know I'm in the gym every day. Of course I've got Raycons in my ears. Plus, Raycons are priced just right. You get quality audio at half the price of other premium audio brands. And 3 customizable sound profiles. With pure sound, balanced sound, and bass sound, you've got all the options you need. Plus, Raycons have noise isolation and awareness modes. With quality like that, there's no wonder why Raycons everyday earbuds have over 50,000 5-star reviews. Personally, I say everybody needs a pair of Raycons in their ears. Whether you're working out, taking work calls, listening to a playlist, listening to a podcast, does not matter. Raycons better be in your ears. So what are you waiting for? It's time to get the perfect sound in your ears. Click the link in my description and go to buyraycon.com/chiseled and save 15% off your very next Raycon purchase. Let them know I sent you.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Poke and kick.
Right to the bad eye. Discount Krillin is in the danger zone.
Fire.
Homie clearly miscalculated his opponent, came into the fight, only saw 1.5 arms and thought it would be a walk in the park.
Come here.
Finish him.
Somebody stop the damn match! Enough's enough!
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
My God! For the love of God, the man's skull just got cracked!
It is all over.
And there goes the battle! Heavens to Betsy, homie got his ass whipped in the corner. Mans parked his vehicle in the handicap spot, beat up his opponent, and gave him a mental handicap. Son became one with the ropes. He was getting punched so hard, Jake's glove almost slipped off his nub. He went into a trance. You can tell he do this on the regular. He not even blinking. He looked like he going through PTSD as if he was a tunneler in France during World War I. Looking like Bubba Ray Dudley after putting a female through a table. Look at Krillin, bloody, looking like his eye is menstruating. Forget stitches, just buy a whole new face. I heard the Kardashians have the plug. It was the final 10 seconds of the fight. Man's caught nothing but lefts and rights. He caught so many hooks you would have thought he worked at Bass Pro Shop. To make matters worse, he kept tasting the nub the entire time. His defensive attributes on 0. Man's caught that elbow about 27 seconds ago and never recovered. Took him to KFC. Got beat with the drumstick and the chicken wing. They couldn't even calculate man's reach appropriately before the fight, and still both hands made the difference. Well, arms. Somebody tell Discount Krillin to just walk his dumb ass out the ring, go straight to unemployment, and collect that check for the rest of life. There's no recovering after this.
I did it for The Rock. I did it for the people. I did it.
Got Baldy in the corner ordering Uber Eats. Little did he know the chef was Mans from Scary Movie 2. Whether it's hands or nubs, Mans got sent to the Shadow Realm.
Snake, are you okay? Snake? Snake!
I made them by hand. Rest that little hand.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true! Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh? Oh my god.